So a lot of people been asking me recently, Tro, what is your price prediction on Crow with Knife? Where do you project it to be a year from today? And I'm not gonna give you a price prediction today, but I am gonna give you my opinion on what $1,000 would look like if you invest in Crow with Knife today. So we got a lot of things to talk about. This video isn't going to be too long, so stay to the end of this video, watch it, like the video, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to share this with the Crow with Knife community, man. We're continuously building. I appreciate everybody who's subscribing to the channel, who's watching what I got to say, because Crow with Knife is one of the ones we want to look for in 2025, man. Right now, Crow with Knife absolutely took off recently, but it's still so much more left in the tank. I do believe this has so much potential in the future. So we're going to get into that. We're going to talk about that. But before we do that, I got to let you know, guys, this is not financial advice whatsoever, man. I'm just telling you my personal opinion and how I feel about Crow with Knife. Now, you always got to do your own research and have conviction in whatever crypto project you're investing in, because crypto is super volatile. We got to understand these things, and we got to know, man, if you just pace yourself, if you dollar cost average, you should win in the end. Now, enough of that. Let's get straight into it. Crow with Knife, baby. What are we talking about? Let's talk about it. $1,000 invested in Crow with Knife. But before we do that, I got to give you some background on Crow with Knife and why I'm super bullish on Crow with Knife and everything that they're doing. Because we starting to see a lot of people really get into the ecosystem, the Cronos ecosystem, and recently the Cronos ecosystem just started really embracing meme coins. Now, we know meme coins been around since, the beginning of cryptos, pretty much, with Doge. We saw Sheeb come out not too long ago. Then we seen multiple meme coins on Solana absolutely take off and hit that $1 billion mark. And I'm starting to think meme coins pretty much right now is the way to go as far as retail. Now, I do like crypto projects with utility. I do like, projects that give out loans. If you have 50% collateral, you can do those type of projects. I do like decentralized exchanges where you can exchange. But right now, I believe meme coins have the retail's eye, and that's because the everyday person really doesn't care about utility. I'm just being real. The everyday person is trying to hit a lottery ticket, and that is what meme coins give people the opportunity to do. Now, Crow with Knife right now is sitting at $50 million market cap, and that's super undervalued compared to some of the biggest meme coins. Like I said, Solana has, multiple meme coins that's at $1 billion market cap. And I do believe, Cronos will have at least $1 to $2 billion market cap meme coins. And we know Corgi AI is pretty much a Cronos back type of project. I do believe Cronos team, some of the higher ups on the Cronos blockchain has something to do with Corgi AI, because it absolutely took off like crazy out of nowhere. It was around for a couple of months before it did take off, so I must say that. But right now, it's almost, in the hundreds of millions of dollars as far as market cap goes. So that might be the first one to hit $1 billion. But right after that, Crow with Knife is absolutely taking its swing at things, because we saw it hit $100 million market cap. Now the prices have gone down. A lot of people asking, Tro, is it too late to get in? I tell you, hey, based on my opinion, I would say now is probably one of the best times to really get in, because it has dropped down, 50% plus. When meme coins do that and they still have a community, there's still people talking about it, there's still people tweeting about it on Twitter or X, whatever you want to call it, then that is a meme coin you want to really stay in, because when the community stays in after those big drawbacks, that means there is like a cult-like following. We want to be invested in those projects that have cult-like followings, because those are the people who are last to sell, man. That's super bullish. But I was telling people, at that $100 million, we're going to see people take profits at that market cap. That's inevitable. We can't stop people from taking profits off the table, because what else would they be in it for? You know, of course, it's a good community. Of course, you know, Crow with Knife, they believe in the longevity. Some people do, but at the end of the day, you gotta realize some profits, and that's why I was telling people when they hit $100 million. But I do believe it can easily go back up to $100 million market cap and more. So if I were to get into Crow and Knife or any meme coin, Crow and Knife will be the one that I get into, because they are absolutely expanding themselves across different blockchains. We know they're on, you know, Arbitrum, they're on BNB, they're on Base, they're on Solana. So a lot of things going on for Crow and Knife right now that's super, super bullish, that, you know, makes me believe that Crow and Knife will easily, you know, hit that $100 million plus, and can possibly hit $1 billion market cap, especially with everything going on right now. We have yet to see the all-time highs for the crypto markets. Now, a lot of people are saying or predicting like, hey, this is the end of the bull market, and, you know, crazy stuff like that. But I'm looking at it differently. I'm looking at it like we really just getting started in this bull market, because I always say, if you watch my videos, a year after the Bitcoin halving, Bitcoin appreciates. But not only that, we've seen recently they've been talking about getting that Ethereum ETF pass, and that's going to add even more liquidity. So this is looking like a very good bull market upcoming, especially for the end of this year and going into 2025. So I would say, you know, we are or have yet to hit the top of the crypto space. A lot of money is not even back on the blockchains yet. We know in 2021 it was, you know, hundreds of billions of dollars on the blockchain. Now we probably seeing like, you know, 100 billion as far as all blockchains. But I do believe it will pass that previous 2021 mark. So a lot of things are just pointing into, you know, the direction of showing or seeing that we have yet to hit the full-on bull market, and that's why I'm still bullish, especially on Crow with Knife. Now, Crow with Knife is at $50 million market cap, and if you invest $1,000 at $50 million, I do project Crow with Knife to hit $500 million market cap by 2025. Now, I'm not saying when in 2025, because I'm not sure when the top is going to be, but at the top, I'm projecting Crow with Knife at $500 million, and that will give us a $10,000 portfolio or $9,000 in profit. So if you invest $1,000 at $50 million, at $500 million, you're going to see, you know, $10,000. And I do believe that's possible for Crow with Knife. So that's my video for today. Crypto Troll, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and don't forget, man, to turn on those notifications. I'm going to continue to bring Crow with Knife videos each and every chance I get, because now is one of the best times to really get in the crypto space and start dollar cost averaging, and Crow with Knife is a sleeper meme coin in this upcoming bull market. So Crypto Troll, I'm out of here.